Welcome to this fun sort of middle section of the blanket, which I've called the bird formation section. It has those little V's, which are like typical how you would draw a bird, made with post stitches, and they have like the classic V formation for birds. You have a few repeat of those along the width. It's worked on a background of simple double crochet, so it's pretty easy to work up, and let me show you how we do it. So to show you this section, I just made a little swatch. I'm just going to show you how to make one of the V-birds, and then you'll refer to the pattern to know exactly where to make them in the section. So to start off, the first 4 rows are just simply double crochet, so I've worked them up already. Now I'm going to make a couple of double crochet just so I can get offset from the edge of my sample. Then when we start the bird, we're going to do 2 yarn overs because we're going to make a front post treble crochet, and we're going to work it not in the row below but 2 rows below, and also not just in the stitch that we're working, but we're going to offset by 2 extra stitches. So we're going to work in that third one here on the right. Now if you're right-handed, it's going to be on the left. You're going to insert your hook from front to back to front, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then you're going to yarn over, pull to 2 loops, and repeat that until you have only 1 loop left. Now make sure this part you're doing pretty loose, otherwise you might have your stitch pull. If you need to do an extra yarn over at the beginning and make it a front post double treble, that's fine, as long as you have your final fabric lay flat. That's what matters. And then we're going to do 3 double crochets. Now you're not going to work in this first stitch because that's the equivalent of the stitch you just made. So you're going to start in the next one, and you're going to make a total of 3 double crochets. 2, 3. And then we're going to do the second branch of our V. So we're going to yarn over twice again. We're going to work around the post of the same stitch, just in the same manner. And then we're going to finish our little sample here with simple double crochets. So again, don't work this stitch, that's the one you just made. You're going to start in the next one, and here I have 3 left to finish my row. And that's all you have to do to make those little V's. And then there's going to be a couple of rows of double crochet again until you make the next V's that are going to be offset.